Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So today what we're gonna do is this beautiful makeup look, this espresso kind of mocha eye winged smoked eyeliner with a beautiful kind of burnt red orangey lip that goes so well together for the weather that is coming. Super cold. Hello, yesterday was like -2 outside. I was like, no, I ain't ready for this, for the eyes, for everything. But we're ready for makeup looks as always. So before we get into it, make sure to subscribe to my channel for a whole lot of content every single week on beauty, lifestyle, and more. So let's get into this beautiful makeup look. OMG, OMG. Look, I found a way of doing my makeup and having my wig, my hair, make me feel myself, everything. So that's really amazing. So today I was like, I'm going to do a little makeup tutorial today. So we're going to jump straight into the Paint Pot Painterly because my eyes are not primed and it looks kind of weird on this face right here with everything else done, you know. And I don't know if you noticed, guys, but I have new nails. I've had these for like a week, I would say, but I had videos already pre-recorded, so that's why I didn't show it to you guys. If you saw my like Instagram stories and everything, you would see it. But I saw like Jaclyn Hill with this color on her nails, like green forest. And I was like, I need to try this because everybody's talking about forest green. My big purse is forest green. And I was like, okay, I need to try this. And it's literally my new favorite color. Like, this is just insanely beautiful. I'm like, I want this all year around. It just fits me so well. It's green, but I never thought it would fit me that well. And I was thinking for the vibe today because I went to IKEA recently as well because IKEA is IKEA is like one of my favorite stores, and I found some candles. I know that IKEA sells a little bit of candles. So I was like, okay, I need to see. I don't want to spend too much money on candles because I love them, but it's so expensive, especially if you go to Bath and Body Works. So the vibe is this. I'm not going to go red with my eyeshadow, but it's just like the scent of it is just so good. They released like seasonal scents, and this is a winter spices with cinnamon and clover. It's so delicious. Like for 2 of these, it was $3.99 Canadian, which is amazing in my opinion. I'm like, oh my god, I'm lighting them everywhere. I have 4, so like I paid, let's say, $8, and it's totally worth it because these you can light them up during the fall, autumn, and you can light them for the winter as well, like Christmas and everything. So it's like a whole vibe for these. Anyways, I love these so much. And they're not too strong, so it's a plus because I really don't like when you just light one and and it's way too much because my boyfriend doesn't like it. So I tried to get something that's it smells good, but not too much. So it's just like a little vibe. So you can light multiple and be like, oh my god, I have so many candles. Anyways, that's the vibe today. And coffee is also the vibe. So I feel like I'm going to go towards the mocha type of shades for my eyes, and then kind of like a burnt red that is more in the warm tones for my lips. So that's vibe today. That's the vibe. All right, so I'm going to go into the MAC. This is the... Oh my god, there's black eyeshadow everywhere. I broke one of my black eyeshadows and it's everywhere. I can't get rid of it. Anyways, it is the Nude Model Art Library, and I was going to start with a transition shade, so something very tiny, the shade Sandstone right here, just because it's more like on the cooler tones, and it's going to go very well with the shade Espresso here, that I want to put later on, so we're going to stay within those beautiful shades. Maybe this one too, I don't know, I'll see. Let's take this as a transition shade, the shade Sandstone, and I'm just going to lightly like put it on here. It's funny because that shade in the pan looks so cool tone, and then on my eyes it doesn't look like that at all. It looks like a warm tone type of shade. I think it's because of the base Painterly that I put, the Paint Pot. Anyways, it's all good. We're gonna take another shade and just blend everything out. It's gonna be a little tiny makeup look for today. Nothing too crazy since the last one was like bam on your face. You know what, guys, I went to Sephora the other day and I was like, ooh, I want to smell all the perfumes, you know. So I started going to smell Replica, the perfumes, And, you know, like everybody's talking about it. So I was like, okay, I need to go smell it at least. Like I know the bottle is beautiful and everything, but if the bottle's cute and it smells like shit, well, it just doesn't fit, you know? So I went and I saw By the Fireplace by Replica. And it was so delicious. Like, I don't understand how you can make a perfume that smells that good and can represent fall, the leaves, the fireplace. It's on point. The only thing that I thought wasn't on point is Autumn Vibes. That one smells like carrots to me. I don't know. I don't know if it happened to you guys, but that one was smelling like carrots, which is so funny. I was like, why does it smell like that? It's supposed to smell like Montreal, but it smells like carrots. So maybe there's carrots in Montreal. I don't know. And then I made a funny mistake, okay? Like a funny mistake. It was so funny, but it wasn't funny to me. But like thinking about it, I was like, why did I do that? You know? So I went, you know, like there's mini versions of everything. And then there was By the Fireplace. And there was like that mini By the Fireplace. I thought it was that in front of it. And then I sprayed it on my neck, on my skin. And ooh, it wasn't that. It was Jazz Club. It was Jazz Club, okay? And Jazz Club, literally, it smells like whiskey, like strong whiskey and cigarettes. It's literally what it smells like. And I was like, I couldn't, like, I wasn't able to, like, that scent. I was just like, no, that's a no-no for me. I don't like that much the smell of cigarettes. So it wasn't like tobacco. It was like cigarettes, like the smoke of cigarettes. That's what it smelled like. So if you like that, well, go get it, because that's what it smells like. It smells like whiskey and cigarettes. It looks a little bit more cool tone now. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take the shade Espresso, which is that one right here, with kind of like a flat brush, and going back into the makeup. Enough about the perfumes and the candles. So I'm gonna do kind of like a liner with this one. So I'm just gonna be like this, and I'm keeping my eyes like halfway open, and I'm bringing it a little bit higher than my waterline. All right, this is cute. So now I'm gonna just pack it. I want like a big liner because of my hooded eyes. So, and then I kind of blend it for a smoky kind of liner. What do you guys think about this color? I feel like it's really, really pretty. And I'm like, I have to take my finger and sharpen everything. And you know what's funny? I'm only using a brush like this. It's not precise at all. And look at how cute it is. Like, you gotta say, it's pretty cute. And then all the way to the inner corner. And then to kind of set, you know, my eyelid, I'm taking my powder that I put under my eyes. This is the Mineralize Skin Finish Natural in Light Plus. So this one is really great. I love to put it on the eyes because it's not too drying, and it's the perfect shade of neutral for me, especially in the lighter realm of the colors. So like if you have a little eyeshadow, like that could work as well. But there's a little bit of color on there, and it's gonna help blending everything. And I'm blending the shade Sandstone with it as well, bringing it up. And then I like to take that shade as well, my face powder, and then bringing it just at the top under the brow, because sometimes I bring the darker shade a little bit too high and I feel like it's too much. So when I do this, it just brings everything together. So we're just gonna do this, blend that thing in like that. Okay, and I take back the shade that I have for Sandstone. I go back on it, and now it's kind of like all blended, cute, nice. Look at the difference. Like, there is such a massive difference. Oh, so cute. I love that. It's not too crazy. You know, it's natural. It's easy to like correct if you have a hard time with eyeshadow. I love the vibe. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to take a little tiny pencil brush, this one, and I'm going to take back the shade Espresso and bringing it under my lash line as well, but like very, very close to it. And then following all around. Again, you can just go with your finger and like drag it, or like take a little brush and then just clean And I'm concentrating at the outside of my eye because it's really going to open up the eye and give that beautiful lifted effect. I think this brown is very cute and we're going to keep it at that. What do you guys think of that color? Like, maybe it's too much, maybe it's not enough. Tell me down below in the comments. I would love to know. Of course, it's not done. No, I'm gonna get out the door like this. All right, so I'm gonna take a little bit of the shade Shroom right here with a tiny brush, again with the other pencil brush that I didn't use. Well, I did use it to carve out these beautiful edges with with the shade Mineral Skin Finish. Hello. Anyways, shade Shroom. I'm probably going to add something else later on, but I just want to add this in the inner corner. And I like to expand it, you know, and bring it under as well to add a little bit of... Okay, so I want to mix two things. So the first thing I'm going to take is this beautiful, this is one of my favorites. Okay, I'm going to talk about it in probably another video, but I'm just telling you guys, the Soft and Gentle Mineralized Skin Finish is just so pretty. Look at that. Look at that. Anyways, this is such a pretty color. I just had to share. And it's the perfect soft highlighter that you can transform into something way more intense. So I'm just saying it's the perfect color for my skin tone. Because I'm like, I put the shade Shroom and it's absolutely horrible. I'm like, I really don't like it. I don't like it at all. I don't like it. So I'm going to try to fix it with the shade that I thought was going to be so pretty. We're going to pack some highlighters until we find the right shade. So I was like, maybe I should go with this one because it's a little bit more warm. So this is the Pat McGrath highlighter, which is so pretty. I love highlighters, especially if they're so sparkling. Is this going to fix it or no? And I'm like, oh my God, I don't know what to take anymore. The Jaclyn Hill loose highlighter. Let's take this one. I'm like, no. No. I think I just fixed it. So I took this shade, which is Outre, and I just added a little tiny bit on top of Sandstone, and I feel like there's definitely more warm now. It's more warm and it doesn't look as weird. Okay, so I fixed it. Okay, guys, we are getting there. We are getting there, okay? So it just needed an extra shade. So much better. All right, so I'm going to take this beautiful little eye pencil. This is my skin tone, but with some shimmers in there. And because I just need to cover kind of my waterline a little bit, I feel like it's out of place. So, okay, so this is placed. I just need a little tiny bit of mascara to remove the powder from it, so later when I put my lashes it's just gonna be so pretty. What do we think? Ooh, cute. Okay, so I'm getting excited because we're getting near the end of the makeup look. So I'm gonna go with the bronzer. This is the Morphe finishing powder. It is not a bronzer, but I'm using it as a bronzer because it is the perfect shade, and I've been loving lately using that type of brush because it's like I can put on the corner. I can just be kind of precise with my application, you know, and like go there. I can go big, I can go not big, I can just like do whatever I want with it. So bronzer is placed, it's cute. And then I already put like a blush. I put the Glow Play blush under my powders. I just did a review on that, so if you didn't see it and if you want to know what I think about this one, make sure to go check it out. It's going to be up here and also listed down below. But on top, I wanted to put something that I received this. I went to Sephora, bought some stuff, you know, because I always go to Sephora and buy some stuff. I literally cannot just go there and not buy anything. I don't know. It's just every day. So I bought this with my points. It is the Laura Mercier Blush Color Infusion. And this color is so, oh my God, this is so pretty. Look at that. Anyways, this is so, I'm like, I need to put this on my cheeks. It's like the perfect color. It's not too warm, it's not too, you know, cool tone. So I feel like if you put like a warm base, it's gonna be more, you know, it's gonna be more golden. And if you put like more of a blue base, it's gonna be more kind of cool tone and like more pinky. But this blush is so pretty. It is so pigmented. And it fits so well on my skin tone. It is insane. Ah, so cute. Oh my god. I want to buy it ASAP. Like, the full version. And then my crazy, oh my gosh. Oh, itchy. My crazy brush. I use this for my highlight because why not? Why not, girl? I'm gonna take a base of Pat McGrath and then put the Soft and Gentle right on top. I feel like when I mix the highlighter, it's always the perfect combination. So this is more like a base, like my skin tone. It has some golden into it. Okay, that cute skin-like finish. And this Soft and Gentle. And I might put something else on top. We'll see. The only thing is that's the most stupid packaging. And Jaclyn Hill's highlighter. All right, so time for the lips. I'm just gonna remove what I have currently. It was just like a lip gloss from ABH. Just like Prep and Prime lip primer for the lips to stay all day. I could technically just put something of the color of my lips right now and it would look great, but it's not fall vibes enough. So I'm gonna go with the lip liner Auburn. This one is very deep and that's the whole point because we're gonna go towards a red that is more orangey, which is from Pat McGrath that I have right here. And I have like a whole vision in my head, which I swatched these two together the other day and it was so bomb. Like I need to put that in my life right away. This beautiful red, and then I'm gonna take Elson 2. And as you can see, it is so bright and pretty, but it's like too bright for the occasion. So I'm gonna go back with the lip liner on top of it, and just really mix it. All right, guys, the makeup look is done. While my camera cut off, I just decided to finish my lip and to put my lashes, which they're so beautiful. They are perfect for this eyeliner. Literally, you can just see the lashes just going a little bit over the liner and it's super beautiful. And that lip is just tying everything together. The hair, the vibe, the other vibe, the coffee, you know, girl. You gotta have some coffee. But yeah, anyways, this is such a beautiful makeup look. I didn't like sit down. I know I say that every single time, okay? I didn't sit down in a while, which it's probably been a week, but a week is way too long, girl, okay? Like it's way too long. It makes me feel so good. This morning, I just decided to journal a little bit, you know, like what I'm grateful for, all these things. So today I'm just feeling absolutely amazing with this black little shirt on that I bought at the secondhand store. And if you want like a video of me showing you what I found at the, you know, secondhand store, thrift store, anything, make sure to comment down below because I always go there, always find some beautiful pieces. And of course, it's like not as cheap as you would think at the thrift store. You know, like it's more expensive than you think, especially at the one that I go to because it's so like, it's more like a high-end type of thrift store, but it's just so beautiful. Anyways, this is what it is with the vibe, the nails, the rings as always that fit with my makeup, anything. So tell me down below what you think about this beautiful little simple kind of espresso mocha eye makeup look with this beautiful burnt red lip orangey. All the vibe for the fall, for the winter, everything. So anyways, if you liked it, make sure to like it, comment down below what, like I said, it would mean the world to me, and make sure to subscribe to my channel for a whole lot of content every single week on beauty, lifestyle, and more. So I love you guys so much. Thank you so much again for watching, and I will definitely see you in the next one. Bye, guys!